punish Sudan, says the book of Isaiah. Beyond the rivers of Sudan there is a land where the sound of wings is heard. A time is coming when the Lord Almighty will receive offerings from this land guarded by rivers, this strong and powerful nation, this tall and smooth-skinned people. But there has been a tradition of prophecy among the Nuer since long before the coming of Christianity. Like the Israelites, the Nuer have spiritual leaders who rise up in times of crisis. The greatest of these was the 19th century prophet Nuer. The ruins of the earth pyramid he built in Upper Nile are still venerated by the Nuer. And Nuer's songs, they believe, foretell events in the present civil war. These songs contain another prediction, the coming of a new prophet. Many Nuer believe he's already here, in the person of a young man named Wutnyang. At his shrine on an island in the Nile, Wutnyang prepares to make a sacrifice. 2 years ago, he left the island and raised an army to join in the Southern Rebellion. The army he raised, the White Army, attacked and briefly captured Malakal, one of the principal garrison towns of the south. If the SPLA does not win soon, Wutnyang says, he will return to fight again. The rituals at the shrine continue late into the afternoon. In the surrounding countryside, smoke from grass fires rises into the air. It's the height of the dry